Chloe and Friends and Story Time. Once upon a time, on a bright sunny day, a curious little boy found a chubby baby raccoon rummaging in a trash can on his street. Intrigued, he approached the raccoon, noticing it was struggling to reach an apple core. Wanting to help, he picked the apple core and handed it over. The little boy noticed a glimmering object in the trash, a shiny marble. He couldn't resist and picked it up, tucking it into his pocket. Suddenly, the raccoon looked sad. The little boy realized that the marble belonged to the raccoon. He felt guilty for taking it away without asking. He remembered his mother's words, "Always respect others' belongings." He quickly pulled out the marble from his pocket and returned it to the raccoon. From that day, the little boy and the raccoon became good friends. The boy would spend his afternoons feeding the raccoon and playing catch with the glossy marble. The boy had learned a valuable lesson: it's not right to take others' things without their permission. Respect for others' possessions is a sign of good etiquette. Hi kids, hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you, bye bye.